Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the interested candidates may join in that group, and the link I kept in the description box of this video. And in this video we are going to see the permanent assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the state university. And here the salary is the level 10 assistant professor category. So the salary is 57,700 rupees per month. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the complete course for the UGC NET Electronic Science and the Paper 1 JRF 2021, it is going to start from Jan 19, 2021. And here the educators are myself, Ashwani Kumar Gadige, which is dealing with the Electronic Science, and Ashima Negi dealing with the Paper 1. And regarding these details, you can see at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. And I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Of the video, it is the Raiganj University, and you can check down the different departments, those are mentioned here. And the application, this notification came on 8th January 2021. So applications are invited in prescribed form or format within 31st Jan 2021 from bona fide Indian citizens for filling up vacancies to the under mentioned teaching posts. In the professor category, physics, chemistry, computer and information science, LLM, MBA, education, sociology, statistics, geography, history, commerce, botany, sericulture, political science and economics. And while coming to the associate professor, botany, economics, English, physics, sericulture, philosophy, chemistry, Sanskrit, Bengali, LLM, MBA, microbiology, education, sociology, statistics, computer and information science and zoology. And coming to the assistant professor, commerce, computer and information science, LLM, MBA, sociology, chemistry, Sanskrit and history. So it is noted that the application for the post of assistant professor to be submitted through online mode within 31st Jan 2021, and photocopies of all testimonials, certificates and online generated form must be submitted at the time of interview. Okay, if called, that means there is no written test here, guys. You will be directly called for the interview once if you shortlisted through your applications, whatever you are sending to the university. And the application fee is 1000 rupees unreserved for the unreserved post, and 750 rupees for the SC, ST, OBCA and OBCB PH post to be paid through online mode. And the candidates who wants to apply from the other state, okay, these people comes under the unreserved category only, guys. So if you want to apply from any other state, okay, then you will come under the unreserved post, that is a general category, and you have to pay the 1000 rupees. And the detailed information, qualification and application form for the post of professor associate and online application form for assistant professor will be available in the university website itself. So I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you will get this link at the end of the description box, guys. Okay, at the end, fine. And coming to the professor category, you may check the number of posts as per the departmental wise and as per the caste category wise. And you can check down here the rationalized entry pay also. Professor is level 14 category, and coming to the associate professor, level 13A category. And coming to the assistant professor, it is a level 10. So the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. And you can check down the commerce, computer and information science, MBA, sociology, LLM, chemistry, Sanskrit and history. Single post are there, and as per the caste category also they mentioned. And coming to the minimum eligibility qualifications for the professor, associate and the assistant professor are given here. I will directly take you to the assistant professor. So assistant professor in commerce, computer and information science, LLM, MBA, sociology, chemistry and history. The minimum eligibility criteria is good academic record as defined by the concerned university with at least 55% of marks at the master's degree level in relevant subject along with the relaxations. And essential qualification for MBA is bachelor's degree in any discipline and a master's degree in business administration or PGDM or CA or ICW or MCOM or economics. At least a second class 3 years bachelor's degree with honors, major in a relevant allied subject. The candidate must have cleared the NET conducted by the UGC or the CSIR or similar test accredited by the UGC like NET, SLET or SET. And next, the relaxation for the direct recruitment of assistant professor is given. That means 5% relaxation will be provided in the master's level based upon the reservation category. And the desirable criteria is a PhD degree awarded or submitted, and the NET, SLET or SET exemption for the post of assistant professor. So the candidates who awarded the PhD degree, those candidates are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. So these are the instructions, guys. And age limit is, upper age limit is of 40 years on 1st January of the year of advertisement, and the relaxable up to 5 years for the SC, ST and 3 years for the OBC category. Okay, and so these are the instructions, guys. So please go through once this one. And for more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon. Please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.